Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a slow water inflow for your washing machines. When you see this, it might be an easy fix and no replacement is required. To solve this, first you turn off the water supply to your machine. If you have not turned off the tap since you bought the washing machine, there will be a high chance that you will leak and start dripping water. Click the link above to see another video that I have that solved this dripping issue. Once the supply is turned off, unscrew the hose. Use a bucket to catch the water or pail. Now test the water supply if it is the cause. You can turn on and check the pressure. Once the pressure is tested okay, you can shut off the supply issue. Next, let's take a look at the filter in the inlet valve. You can see it's full of dirt and sand particles. You can try to use your hand or even a plier to pull it out. You can see the filter is dirty and clogged. Now I turn on my flash and you can see the inlet valve is filled with dirt and gunk. You can rinse it with water or even use a brush to remove the dirt. I didn't bring a brush, so I just used my hand to scrape it out. For the inlet valve, you can use a cotton bud to remove the dirt. If anyone have a better solution, maybe you can suggest in the comment section, as I cannot find any item for me to scrape the dirt out from the inlet valve. Okay, once clean, install back the filter and the hose. Turn on the supply and start the washing machine. You can now see a huge difference in the water inflow. This will be the simplest fix without any replacing of parts. Thank you for watching and subscribe.